So going along with this whole intro talk, what is like kind of protocol with making an intro and an outro that is DJ friendly?
As you can see here, it's 17 bars. This is 30 seconds, right? You can see here that it'll go to 30 seconds. It's pretty much 30 seconds, right? This in EDM, you know, I think most EDM DJs can DJ with their eyes shut because every intro is 30 seconds, every outro is 30 seconds. You wait until the outro comes, you hit the play button. So 30 seconds for an EDM song, I think, is perfect. You don't want especially when it's on Spotify and stuff, even the extended mix, you don't want people falling asleep whilst the intro's going. You know, back in the days, as I said about Alesso's intros were this long, 1 minute. So he would start here with just a kick and a clap. And then in this part, he would bring in some hi-hats. In this part, he would bring the bass line. In this part, he would bring like a snare, like a build-up snare. Those days are gone because now DJ sets require that you mix 35, 40 songs in an hour. In the past, you could play 12 songs in an hour. So as the time's progressed, I think all of us producers have just shortened the intro, cut the bull, basically, and just get straight into it. And it makes the track more energetic as well because you're leaving out that just kick and clap. You're getting a lot of the elements in. So yeah. I would try and stick to 30 seconds. If it's this genre, but, you know, trap's different. Every BPM is different. But for this kind of music, it's got to have a kick drum, whether it's a 4x4 or whatever pattern your drop is, whether it's a trap pattern. You want the DJ to be able to mix the kick drum to the other kick drum rather than them having to guess, you know. That's pretty much it. You can be as creative. You can make the intro any way you want it, but if you're struggling with your intros and you're struggling to get tracks finished because of them, just do what I do because it saves you a lot of time. And by the way, if you are struggling to find anything for the intro, what I do is I take synth loops from a sample pack. Like lots of sample packs do construction kits. So they'll make a drop and stem every individual part. I'll take the drop loop and just chop it up and chop it up and filter it up. And then it fills up most of the intro. So another little tip, a little cheat there for you.
What's up, DAW Nation? I hope you enjoyed this quick tip video from our Olly James in the DAW episode, which, by the way, if you want to check that out, you can go check out the full episode on our YouTube channel. You can also check out the full episode on our podcast if you want to listen to it over there. That's great as well. Also, if you want to keep learning from huge music producers that are actually making it in the industry, that are actually producing songs that are getting results, then go ahead and make sure to click the little subscribe button as well as the notification bell, as well as, you know, you can hit the like button and leave a comment if you're feeling like an overachiever. We would love to hear from you. We'd love to know your thoughts. So, DAW Nation, with that being said, make sure you check back here frequently, like every single day, because we're putting out an enormous amount of content all the time, and every single time you watch one of these pieces of content, it is always going to give you something of value to help you on your music production journey. So make sure to subscribe, follow, comment, like, whatever is appropriate, wherever you're at. We'd love to hear from you. And with that being said, we'll see you on our next quick tip video.